Holy cow, who do we have here?
Camila,
Camila, what are we doing?
Skydiving!
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers today. You trust me to throw you out of an airplane?
We're doing it.
Who is this guy?
This is a friend of mine.
Oh my gosh.
Brad.
Whose idea was this?
Of all the groups.
Let's go have some fun. Next time we see you, we're blasting off. Give me a high five right here. High five right here.
Woo!
Let's have some fun, guys. Here we go. I'm freaking out, man. What do you think of that?
It was amazing.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
You gonna do it again someday?
Yes.
Yeah? Next time you can come back and play with my balls, okay?
Oh my god!
Hope for the parachute.
Thank you.
You did great. Skydive Colorado Springs.
Yes.
Woo! Yeah!